Hello friends, welcome back once again to my channel Gurukul. Hello friends, today's topic is construction of a line segment of a given length. That can be done in two ways. First, we can just use a simple ruler in order to do the construction, and secondly, we can take the help of a ruler along with the compass. So in exercise 13.1, we are going to show you how to do so. Question number 6. We have to construct a line segment of length 6.3 using a ruler and a compass. So here, this is what I have with me, a ruler, and this is the compass. As I have already shown in the previous video, we have two ways of drawing it. First, we can draw a line measuring 6.3. And then we will place the needle of the compass at one end and the open end of the compass at the end of the other line. So now we have the measurement of 6.3 in the compass. Now taking this as a measurement, we will draw a fresh line of any length, and then we will place the needle at one end of the given line and then make an arc here. So this point becomes A and this becomes B, and the measurement is 6.3 centimeter. This is our construction. Question number 7. We have to construct a line AB of length 8.3. So first, let me draw the line AB. (8.3). This is the line AB 8.3 centimeter. Now cut this off. From this cut off line AC of length 5.6. So now we'll take the help of the compass. We'll place the needle at the 0 degree, 0 centimeter, and we'll measure 5.6. So here I have done it, 5.6. Now placing the needle at point A, we'll make an arc here. So this point here becomes C. So now let me write that AB, line segment AB is 8.3 centimeter. Line segment AC is 5.6 centimeter. That means from here till here. Measure the length of line segment BC. Therefore, line segment BC is equal to, let us measure, (2.7 centimeter). This is verified. The other way is we can easily subtract 8.3 centimeter minus 5.6 centimeter. The answer is 2.7 centimeter. Question number 8. Draw any line segment PQ, and without measuring PQ, construct a copy of PQ. So let us draw any length of a line. PQ PQ. Now without measuring this, we have to copy. So that is only possible with the help of a divider. So this is the divider. We are going to place one end of the needle at point P and the other end of the needle at point Q. I have measured this. And now I will make imprint mark on the lines through the dots and then join them. So this is the copy of the previous line PQ without actually measuring it. Now question number 9. Given some line segment AB whose length you do not know, construct PQ such that the length of PQ is twice that of AB. Question number 9. For instance, the line segment AB. AB. We don't know the length. Now we will construct PQ such that PQ is twice AB. So again we will take the help of the divider. We place the needle at A, the other needle at B. As you can see, it is exactly from point to point. Now we have measured this without changing the radius. We place the needle on a blank page, make a mark on it, and then again we will repeat because it is double AB here. So now we have 3 points, as you can see, 1, 2 and 3. Now let me join. So line PQ is double the line segment AB. Question number 10. Take a line segment PQ of length 10 cm. So let us draw the line PQ. P Q 10 centimeter. Now from PQ cut off PA of length 4.3. So 4.3 we have to cut. That means we have to mark 4.3. This point is A. So PA has been marked as 4.3 centimeter. Now we have to take out BQ of length 2.5. So 2.5 starting from Q. Here we have marked, this is B and BQ is 2.5 centimeter. So now we have to measure the line segment AB. So the line segment AB is 3.2 centimeter. There is another way of finding the value is by adding the line segment PQ by adding the line segment PA and BQ and subtracting the total from PQ. Let me show you how. Line segment AB is equal to PQ minus PA BQ. So that comes down to 10 minus 4.3 plus 2.5 is equal to 10 minus 6.8 gives us 3.2 centimeter. Number 11 says that two line segments have been given. First is line segment AB, which measures 7.5 centimeter, and line segment CD, which measures 4.6. So let me copy here. AB measures 7.5 centimeter and CD measures 4.6 centimeter. Now we have to construct line segment PQ whose length is equal to the sum of the length of line segment AB and CD. So PQ is equal to AB plus CD, that is 7.5 centimeter plus 4.6 centimeter, that gives us 12.1 centimeter. So let us construct PQ. It will be 12.1. PQ 12.1 centimeter. This was subpart 1, and subpart 2 is we have to draw a line segment XY whose length is equal to the difference of the length of the line segment AB and CD. So here XY is equal to AB minus CD. So that gives us 7.5 centimeter minus 4.6 centimeter, and the answer is 2.9 centimeter. So now we will draw the line segment XY measuring 2.9. This is 2.9. XY 2.9 centimeter verified. So here we come to the end of exercise 13.1. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon and select all for every update.